Hey, good evening all of you. So now we got this, that is our router of Netgear from Paytm. We have ordered it and you can see our pricing here. It is of rupees 937 rupees, you can see here. So now we are unboxing it.
गाना मत गाओ रे गालो हनी भाई
So that's our router, Netgear N150 wireless router. N150, as you can see the price of it here. Yeah, price is 1635, you can see. Now we are opening it. So that's it. This is our whole box. We got this wireless connector and we got this. The main thing is that the router and charger of it box, and one more thing, that is warranty card, SSID name, and this is Wi-Fi network name and password. This is a manual guide from which we can start our Netgear router. That's it, guys. Here also you can see these are this is the tower. That is, yeah, that's it. So easily packing it is. That's a power switch, power LED, and Wi-Fi LED. Connector LED 1 2 3 4. When we connect it, see here, these are the ports here. This is for the power charge, this is for the internet wireless cables, and this is for all computers you want to connect it. You can connect it here, port 1, port 2, port 3 and port 4. So that's it, guys, and keep watching us and keep like and share this video if you like it. That's it. And one more thing I'm going to mention, that these are the features of it, and I got it for rupees 937 rupees and got 141 rupees cashback from Paytm. That's it. Thank you very much.